How to fix Google TV automatically opening problem? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, go to settings on your phone. Once it opens, scroll down, tap apps, tap app management, tap search bar and type in Google TV. Once you locate the app, open it. Now you will land on this app info page where you have to select First Stop. Tap First Stop to first stop this app. Once done, tap Storage Uses, tap Clear Cache, and tap Clear Data. Remember, this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device if you clear app data. So tap Delete, and once you have followed this step, your issue of app opening problem will be solved. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.